Go ahead and document this. So basically, I'm just so tired of the same old stuff over and over. I thought I'm going to try something different for us. I'm going to cook up these 2 bags of penne pasta. And then I'm going to add, probably half a package of this taco seasoning mix. And right now I got this 1 can of tomato paste, and I have 1 can of petite diced tomatoes, and the lid fell in there. And I added, I'd say, about a half a pan of water. This is, and what I'm going to do is I went ahead and boiled a potato. So when you put potato inside a pasta, tomato, anything with tomato base, it helps to take the acidity out of your tomatoes so you don't have heartburn. So I went ahead and peeled 1 Yukon Gold. Now I'm going to let this cook about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes, I guess, with this potato in it to help take out the acidity. And once it does, then I'm going to go ahead and put my taco seasonings in there. As you see, I got water boiling for the noodles. So I'm going to go ahead and cook the noodles. And I'm going to throw this together. And it's going to be like a taco, sort of like a taco dish. Instead of, having everything that goes with it. I just want like a 1 meal type pot. Like a 1 meal pasta type dish. So we'll see how this works.